What's up guys, Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with another top accessory or best accessory or just some good accessories. Right here in my hand, Mi Band 4. Great device, I use it every day, I can't say enough about it. Now, I have no issues with this device. If you've seen my full review, the only issue I have with this is that you cannot set this screen time duration. That's my only issue really. With that being said, these are some devices that I like for the Mi Band 4. So the first thing we're going to look at is only two really, because it's not a whole lot of accessories for a fit band, but these bands right here. Now, when you go on, I'm going to leave a link below. When you go on Amazon, do not fret, do not be afraid. That's why I'm here to test this stuff out for you. These bands are actually for the Mi Band 3. So when you go on Amazon and type in Mi Band 4 bands or fit bands or replacement bands, you're not going to really find anything. But all of this popped up. So the company Xiaomi has all these bands actually for sale. Now, the package or the bundle costs you 15 bucks, but you are going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 bands for 15 bucks. Thought that was a good deal. And they come in all different colors. You can change these colors up to match your outfit. You get a yellow one, you get an orange one, you get a gray one, you get a light blue one, you get a dark blue one, you get a white one, you get a black one, which it came with a black one, you get a lime green, a purple, and a pink. So you get all this 15 bucks. Thought that was a really good deal for the Mi Band 4. Like I said, it will say Mi Band 3 bands. Do not fret. They do fit. It will work. No worries, no issues. The next thing is the Spectre Shield screen protector. I've been rocking that screen protector on there. I hadn't had any issues. Now this is a film screen protector. It's a wet applied screen protector. You get the application solution, you get the screen protectors, and you actually get 6 in here. So I paid like 6 bucks for this, 7 bucks. You get 6 screen protectors for that price. So I think that's a really good deal as well. Like I said, the Spectre Shield screen protector, it's wearable for tech. It's on here right now. No issues, no scratches, no scrapes. So this has been it, guys. Like I said, it's pretty sweet, pretty simple, straight to the point. You got some bands that you can get 15 bucks, 12 bands, 15 bucks. And then you get, I think I counted one band 2 times. It's 11 bands in here. So you get 11 bands, 15 bucks, still a good deal. And then you get your screen protector right here so you don't get your device scratched up. So that's been it, guys. These are some accessories that I have for the Mi Band 4. Hope you like it. Until next time, be sure to give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. I'll leave a link below to both of these. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.